Hello and welcome. These are the elements of the probe kit, and we start off with the first element, an activity using the phone. The participant clicks the photos using the phone, and there are introductory notes in all the activities so that the participant can read the instructions before starting the activities. This is the planner in which the participant writes the daily activities under each day. For activity number 3, we have the puzzle here. For activity number 4, the participant has to write a letter to their younger self. For activity number 5, we have a diary here, which includes journaling data from activity 1 and 2. And we have some stationery here which will help them to quantifying the data in the journal.
2 weeks later.
Welcome back. The participant clicked some the photos on the phone and printed them. The participant completed the planner for the first week, but unfortunately fell ill in the second week, so could not do it. The participant did not complete the letter as well, but I got some insights in the outro interview. And this is the whole kit after 2 weeks.